Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll show you how to create a Temu seller account. This is a straightforward process, but be sure to follow along to avoid missing any important steps. To begin, creating a Temu seller account isn't done directly on the Temu website. You might think you can scroll to the bottom of the Temu page to find a seller link, but it's not available there. So, how do you go about creating a Temu seller account? First, open Google and search for Pinduoduo login. The reason for this is that Pinduoduo is actually the parent company of Temu, and seller accounts are managed there. Look for the top search result and click on it. You'll land on a page in Chinese, so if you're using Chrome, you can translate the page into English for easier navigation. On this page, you'll see a button that says, "Don't have an account yet? Register now." Click on it. From there, enter your phone number, set a password, and add the 6-digit verification code they send you. Now, here's a key detail. When selecting your area code, you'll notice that only area codes for mainland China and Hong Kong are available. If you're located elsewhere, you won't be able to sign up directly through this form. But don't worry, there's an alternative method. If you're outside of mainland China or Hong Kong, you can reach out to Temu's seller support by emailing them directly. Their seller email is seller@tmu.com. In your email subject line, mention that you want to become a Temu seller. In the email body, express your interest in becoming a seller, why you'd be a good fit, and request a Temu seller code. If your application is accepted, they'll send you the code, which you can use to complete the sign-up process. Those are the two main ways to create a Temu seller account. And that's it. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.